The HN0630-S3F welding port is equipped with a modern welding head cluster, integrating laser sensor technology for precise navigation and a servo motor for automatic adjustment, closely following the welding profile. This device not only minimizes manual operations but also achieves welding speeds of up to 1.5 meters per minute, ensuring uniform, high-quality welds without defects such as flange misalignment or uneven penetration. The advanced S3 welding technology is integrated, using a 3.2 mm welding wire for increased penetration, providing a strong weld that meets stringent technical standards. Two 1.6 mm welding wires follow, optimized to increase welding speed, maximizing efficiency up to 1.4 meters per minute. This technology supports various beam profiles such as H-beams, box beams, curved beams, and displacement beams, with flexible angle adjustments to optimize penetration, effectively handling even complex thick beam structures. The HN0630-S3F welding port efficiently supports 1F welding applications across various beam types. Thick H&A beams, welding a 1.5 meters wide web, 600 mm flange with stable speed. Box beams, handling large joints without investing in specialized equipment. Curved and displacement beams, laser sensors closely follow the profile, ensuring uniform and precise weld quality. Optimal performance and operation. All welding parameters are preset with a library of 200 parameters, allowing operators to easily switch modes through a bilingual English-Vietnamese controller. The device allows flexibility between S2 and S3 welding modes. The combination of advanced technology, automation features, and flexible adjustment capabilities makes the HN0630-S3F an optimal solution for production processes, increasing productivity and significantly saving on electricity costs and welding materials, providing exceptional value for businesses.